love and light, smiles that make the whole day shine. Her loving heart feels so kind. Love is shining all around, warmest happiness we've found. Holding hands and feeling near, Mommy's love is always here. Hugs so cozy, warm and tight, morning, noon, and every night. Wrap around arms, soft and sweet, Mommy's hugs can't be beat. Playing games and laughing loud, jumping high and feeling proud. Running, dancing, fun all day, Mom joins in the games we play. Relaxing time with bubbles and glow, soft, calm music, nice and slow. Warm towels, candles shining bright. Mom feels peaceful, calm and light. Cooking treats that smell so good, yummy meals just like she would. Stirring, mixing, taste and see, Mom makes snacks for you and me. Helping with school when we learn and grow, teaching us things we need to know. Counting numbers, ABCs, Mom helps us learn with so much ease. Clap your hands and shout hooray! Let's celebrate moms today. Love and kindness all year through, Mom does so much for me and you. Dancing, singing, smiles and cheer, celebrating mothers far and near. Thank you, Mom, for all you do. Happy Mother's Day.